Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right now, power down, unplug, and remove any battery. You don't test electronics live. Once done, remove external casing clips with a small screwdriver and a spudger. Pry gently to avoid snaps. Use a magnifier to inspect the SD slot for bent pins or debris. This is why you opened it. Make sure to keep screws organized by size. You'll need the replacement reader module or connector ready before proceeding to desolder or unclip components. Once the shell is off, blow out dust with compressed air and lightly clean contacts using 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab. You do this so corrosion or dirt stops connectivity. Next, check pins. If bent, realign them carefully with a thin needle. Slow, small movements. Excessive force breaks them. If the ribbon cable or reader PCB is damaged, desolder the joints using a temperature-controlled iron, remove the old part, and test fit the new module before committing to solder. You now solder the replacement reader in place, ensuring solid joints and correct ribbon orientation. Use flux and clean residues after soldering. Reassemble the casing without forcing clips. Replace screws in original positions. Power on and insert at least 2 different SD cards and an adapter to confirm read/write functions. This rules out a single bad card. If problems persist, measure continuity on data pins and consider replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.